questions when we can talk about, are we boring? Nope. We are nowhere near boring. All right. Your school, your traditional is what? Read and test. Well, I actually love the way the CareerWize designed our program. They did an excellent job in intervening, taking the curriculum that was written and generating questions from it, generating games. That's huge. It's called gamification. And there's 40 plus games within our course. So let's talk just briefly. You're going to read a little bit, and then you're going to do what I call a brain activity. All right. So that could be a game. It could be a multiple choice. It could be a true false. It's just going to be an interaction. And what is that going to help you do? It's going to help you remember what you've just learned, as well as learn it if you didn't. So the other piece of that I want you to know is all those games, all those quizzes, even our test at the end of our modules, you can retake over and over. There's no limit. Your grade can be whatever you want it to be. But why do you retake? You retake to help you retain. So I love it when students start out, even at the very beginning, they'll text me or they'll email me or they'll call me and they'll say, hey, this is fun. I love the way we're learning here. Well, yeah, because if you've been to school online before, or hey, even in the classroom, it's all about reading and testing. Well, we're not that way. So you'll find us fun. So don't have the dread of, oh, I hate online learning. I hate book learning. You're not going to feel that with us. And I want you to find out, I want you to see it hands-on. Go to our website, www.careerwize.com. Remember, spell wise, W-I-Z-E, not S-E. All right, when you land on that first page, scroll down towards the bottom. It's going to say sample our program. Do the demo. It won't take you 10 minutes. And you're going to get a bird's eye view of exactly what our program is all about and how it's fun. So no, you're not going to be bored. I promise you that. Thank you.